I just got the Nike Men's Air Zoom Pegasus FlyEase running shoes off of Amazon for $105. So these are cool shoes. In case you're looking for a shoe that you can easily take on and off really quickly. There's a look at the back of the shoe. It has laces on the front, a loop strap over here. You just open that up. Take the filling out. Slide these on. Take the loop. Tighten up. Pull it back. And we're good to go. Throw the other one on here. There's a look at the sole. These are the wide versions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.